Your brand kit is more than just a logo. It's the blueprint for how your brand shows up everywhere. Think of it as your playbook for consistency, trust, and recognition. A strong brand kit includes your logo in all formats, a clear color palette with HEX and RGB codes, typography rules, imagery style, and even your brand's voice and tone. Together, these elements create a system that keeps every touchpoint aligned, from social media to sales decks. Why does this matter? Because consistency builds credibility. When your brand looks and sounds the same across platforms, it feels professional, reliable, and memorable. That trust leads to loyalty and sets the foundation for long-term growth. Building a brand kit starts with research and strategy, defining your mission, values, and audience. From there, you create assets, document rules, and roll it out across every channel. Remember, a brand kit isn't static, it evolves as your business grows. Want a brand kit that sets you apart? We build identities designed to last.